Good evening everyone. Napagod talaga ako. Sobrang pagod ko. Actually, tapos na ang binake na mocha cake and vanilla muffins. So, mainit pa guys. Ito na po yung binake ko.
She baked them. She baked them.
Ako po ang naghirap.
She lying. She baked them.
Ako po ang naghirap maglagay ng butter sa muffin trays. Pero siya po talaga ang real na baker. So, congratulations. So, guys, this is very yummy. And tomorrow, i-design pa namin. Because she's already 12 years old, she's going to bake her own cake. So, God bless everyone. Ciao!